careful. That's it. Back to solo pollard again. That kind of sucks, doesn't it? But just got 3 weeks in England for work, so I don't know. I imagine we'll probably meet up again at some point, wherever I am. That actually sucked a lot more than I was expecting it to. Weird. Only known her for 2 weeks. Been my little travel companion there for a while. Showing me a lot of that I wouldn't have seen. But I'm sure we'll meet up again. This is the thing, isn't it? This trip, it's just a little strange experience, because obviously I'm travelling round, I'm on my jolly, but anyone I meet along the way, they're living their normal lives, work and whatever their plans. If I don't see you again, thank you very much. Been right, seeing as I'm up at 7 AM, I suppose I'm going to make the most of the day, ain't I, really? Oh, I had proper bean coffee last night that Mr. Blue Van gave me. And now my instant coffee tastes like shit. Oh, I love this trip. I absolutely love this thing. It's, how much I've done already. It's only been like, what? How long is it? 6 weeks? 5 weeks? I don't even know. It's like day 45 or something. Who knows, eh? Who cares? Who cares? Alright, I will flick you back on when I'm a bit more awake. Well, this is awkward. Just got police knocking on the door like, "You can't stay here, you must leave immediately." Think I outstayed my welcome a little bit. Which is fair enough. I've been in the same spot for like 3 days. Because I can't find my sat nav where I put it. So right now, driving blind. Alright, I just found another spot. It's a bit off the lake, just in case the same coppers decide to come back. It's somehow town only. God, I feel really weird driving the van. I moved it for what, 4 days? To be fair, that's a bit of a good lesson for doing this kind of travel, because I think, you stay somewhere one night, you disappear the next day, no one knows you. It wouldn't be a problem. But the thing that I've done now is I've kind of burnt the old lake
in 300 meters. Turn
for a little bit for myself, because obviously my van is
pretty recognisable, very recognisable. So, you know, really I probably need to peace out for a little bit, because if I go park somewhere else and they're sort of doing the rounds of the lake or whatever they do, they'll see me and be like, yeah, piss off again, which is fine. Like, I'm not complaining, it's my bad. I mean, I've just stayed in that spot for flipping ages. I think it's 4 days. Can't believe I got away with it for that long, to be honest. So yeah, I just because I obviously had to leave immediately, so the van's an absolute. I didn't get a chance to sort it out, so I'm just going to go to this spot. It's just around the other side of the lake and then up a little bit, I think, just to sort things out. I'll see if I can find somewhere to. Well, actually, I'm not going to be able to go back down to the lake now. Even if I just nip for a swim, I bet they'll bloody move me along as soon as they see me, and that's it. There's no point challenging them either. I mean, they spoke English. There's no point saying like, oh, why? Because there was other vans there as well, but they'd only turned up yesterday, and they were French, and, you know, whatever. Probably just got me because I was English as well, but who knows? But yeah, there's no point like trying to fight them. Well, not literally fight them, but you know what I mean, because I'm just not going to win. I end up getting flipping arrested or something. They'll find something wrong. I could see them actually. There was two. One came and like banged on the door. But oh, here they are, driving past again now. He's just going to like staring at me. I bet he's thinking, oh, that he's going back. No, I'm not that stupid. But yeah, if I'd have gone against them, they'd probably be like, well, you know, found something wrong with the van or whatever. If I park there now, because they will definitely turn around and come back, now they just see me. If I park there, I'd 100% get arrested or something, or fined. And this is the first spot I was in. Decided to just move completely off the lake for now. And just find a spot a little way out. It's probably the best idea. Don't want to get myself in. There's an air just up here somewhere, so I'm gonna go to that thing to get rid of all my water and stuff. Yeah, now I can chill and sort out all my crap. Right. Video is uploaded. I've just been to the air as well, so that's done. I think now I'm absolutely roasting. 49 degrees, good. So I want to drive. I think I'm just going to head back to somewhere in Chamonix Valley and then figure out what I want to do from there, basically. Probably go to La Tour again, actually, spend the night there, because I've not been there for a little while. But yeah, just got to figure out where to go after that, pretty much. Down this road 10 times now, which I'm not driving it. Just gonna snap because I'm bloody stop. Been a while since I've been here. Bloody hell. You ain't gonna be able to see from this lens, but there's a camper over there in the corner that's burnt out. Like, completely gone. Oh, someone's had a really bad day. Hopefully no one was hurt.